If you've decided to close your Reddit account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Reddit website or open the app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Access user settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select user settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the account section. Within the user settings, find the account tab. This section contains various options related to your account management. Step 4. Find the delete account option. Scroll down until you see the option to deactivate account. Click on this option to proceed with closing your account. Step 5. Confirm deactivation. You will be prompted to enter your username and password again for verification. After confirming, follow the prompts to finalize the deactivation of your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Reddit account will be closed. Remember that this action is permanent and cannot be undone, so ensure you are ready to proceed before confirming the deactivation.